Yes. One on one. Yes,
A very good morning to everyone present here. I feel heartfelt gratitude to be given this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on the behalf of this college. I begin with thanking our esteemed guests here who wholeheartedly supported this initiative, Career Mantra. A big thanks to our students to accept and explore this opportunity with true dedication. Immense gratitude towards our President, Sir, our Secretary, Sir Kamlesh Pradhan, Sir, our Honorable Management, for their constant guidance, encouragement towards various initiatives which involve our students. A big thank you to Principal Sir for inception and cradling forward the idea Career Mantra into a full-fledged entity. Heartfelt thanks to our Chief Coordinator Professor Ajit Umrani Sir for his constant support and guidance and hardcore commitment towards this initiative, again Career Mantra, a first of its kind to be organized in this college, Dhyan Sadhana College. A big thanks to Vice Principal Deshkar Ma'am, Ajanis Ma'am, Dr. Lonkar Madam, HOD Accounts Department Pitre Sir for being the initiators for this event. Thank you to the Teacher Committee of Career Mantra for being the torch bearers here. Thank you to the Student Committee for their true dedication and commitment, without which we were incomplete. Thank you to the non-teaching staff for their constant support. A heartfelt thanks to the entire college, teachers, students for making this event a huge success. Thank you everyone. Thanks a lot.
किती तरुणांना मार्गदर्शन झालं असेल, किती तरुणांना मार्गाला लावलं असेल, मी कल्पनाही करू शकणार नाही एवढं, मी स्वप्नही पाहू शकत नाही एवढ्या तरुणांना, 1 लाखाहून जास्त तरुणांना उद्योगाला लावू शकतो, उद्युक्त करू शकतो, त्यांना रस्त्यावर जाऊन पुढे चला ह्या रस्त्याने म्हणून सांगू शकतो आणि ते लागले रस्ते मार्गाला लागले आणि त्यांनी स्वतःचं कर्तृत्व केलं, दाखवलं. ते आजही मला अनेक वेळेला कुठेतरी भेटतात आणि सांगतात, आम्ही त्यावेळेचे हे मुद्दाम सांगण्याचं कारण असं की हे क्षेत्रच एवढं प्रचंड आहे, तरुणाला उद्या काय करायचं ते समजत नाही, आज काय करायचं ते लक्षात येत नाही, त्याचं दारून ते उफाळून आलेलं असतं, काहीतरी करण्याची जबरदस्त इच्छा असते, त्याला मार्ग व्यवस्थितपणे दाखवला गेला तर तो फक्त सोडत बनवतो, सोडारो चांगल्यापैकी कार्य करू शकतो, ते करायला पाहिजे, ते मार्गावरती जायला पाहिजे. कारण हे काम आपण या आजच्या परिसंवादातून घडवणार आहात, त्याला रस्ता दाखवणार, मार्ग दाखवणार आहात आणि म्हणून हे उन्हाने तुमचं आणि शासनाच्या मनापासून आम्ही निवडून केलं ते एवढ्यासाठी. चलूया आपण त्यांचा त्यांनी एक पाऊल आधीच टाकलं होतं. आम्ही रिअलायझेशन सुरू केलं, ते सुद्धा अशासाठी ज्ञान साधना एशियन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ त्या चालू झालं आणि तेही चांगलं काम करतं. मला आनंद वाटतो की आजच्या सकाळच्या ह्या कार्यक्रमात मला सहभागी होण्याची संधी मिळाली. आपण इतिहास घडवूया आणि तो इतिहास घडवण्यासाठी भक्कमपणे पावलं टाकूया. जी मंडळी सहकारी झाली त्या सगळ्या सहकार्यांचं मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो, त्यांना धन्यवाद देतो आणि आपण सगळेच मिळून
one more important point is this. We have invited our neighboring colleges also. So Karmavir Bhaurao Patil students of Karmavir Bhaurao Patil ABP College, then Anand Vishwa Gurukul College, then GSM College from Majode, and R.J. Thakur College near USI Hospital. All are invited to this event. I wish this event a grand success. Without taking much of your time, I'll stop here and wishing you this program come with a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your word of motivation and your path-breaking ways. Now I would request our Secretary Dhyan Sadhana, Mr. Kamlesh Pradhan sir, to incite the young minds with his views.
गुड मॉर्निंग. व्यासपीठावरील सगळे मान्यवर, समोर बसलेल्या 23 वेगवेगळ्या इन्स्टिट्यूटचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह, समोर बसलेले विद्यार्थी, यांचं करिअर मंत्रा 2016-17 शैक्षणिक वर्षात आयोजित केलेल्या करिअर मंत्रामध्ये सगळ्यांना स्वागत करतो. हा करिअर मंत्र हे तुमच्यासाठी आहे. तुम्ही त्याचा जास्तीत जास्त उपयोग करून घ्या. आपल्या इन्स्टिट्यूटच्या व्यतिरिक्त ज्या वेगवेगळ्या इन्स्टिट्यूटचे प्रतिनिधी आलेले आहेत तिथे काय काय प्रोसेस चालतात ते जाणून घ्या आणि त्याचा उपयोग नक्कीच करून घ्या. तुम्हाला भविष्यात त्याचा चांगलाच फायदा होईल. सगळ्यांना मी त्यांच्या शैक्षणिक प्रगतीसाठी ऑल द बेस्ट. थँक्यू.
पायलटिंगची नाही आहे.
I welcome you on the behalf of Usha Devi College of Management. Basically, our college is located in Nitin Lal Nayak Thane. We operate degree courses in hotel management, diploma courses in hotel management, as well as short-term certificate courses in hotel management, as well as Korean programs. Basically, our college do provides training program and international job placement also after the completion of the course. So we request you all to once visit our college and see our campus and see our all the teaching style and all, and enroll in our future courses. Basically, hotel management courses is one of the most prominent course of the world, in which you can get an international opportunities to work abroad as well as to do your business also. So please do visit our college in Thane. Thank you all.
Good afternoon, my name is Amit Nambia and I am representing Bedekar Institute of Management. Apart from the full-time MBA courses like MMS and PGDBM, we also have the various part-time courses. The part-time courses in management studies can be specialized in HR, marketing, finance, operations. Then we also have the digital marketing part-time course, travel and tourism, supply chain management course. These all courses are the part-time courses in which you have the classes on Saturday evenings and Sundays. This can be done along with your graduation by the undergraduates and even by the graduates. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sukesh and I am from Bima Patil. This is the School of Management. We have MBA as well as BBA courses. We have different specialization in MBA. We have MBA in Retail Management, Pharmaceutical Management, Biotechnology, Logistics and Supply, as well as we have specialization in BBA. And the placement guarantee for the students who have completed the BBA as well as MBA is 100%.
Acubis Consulting, we have been dealing with the students of vernacular medium for the last 18 years. We teach English conversation skills and soft skills. We do basic grammar as well as teach them and make them well prepared for job interviews and how to set up in the world. We teach English in easy vernacular method so that it becomes easier for them to understand and to reciprocate with people. We teach them how to write a CV.
Anand Vishwa Gurukul.
Teach them how to do work with the people so that they can easily climb up and they can have a better outfit in their lives.
We are from ITM Institute of Hotel Management, Mumbai, Nehru.
We are from ITM IHM Navi Mumbai Nehru. We are from the hospitality sector. We are also into engineering, health science, marketing, and we are also into MBA programs. We are located in Navi Mumbai Nehru.
Hello, this is Preeti Manipur over here, the animation head of Animations Institute. We are into animation, graphics, mobile apps, that is iOS and Android. Into graphics, we teach Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, InDesign. These are the softwares. These are small courses wherein you can get the job opportunities also. We also have animations anthologies wherein we design mobile apps and games. The plus point over here is not only you learn over here the tools, but how to use those tools into the studios. And we prepare the students for industry. That is the industry relevant syllabus we have made so that it is going to make a better prospects for the students. Welcome to us. Thank you.
Myself, Professor Nitin Ganeshan, and I am from Institute of Management and Computer Studies. I am called Shivagala Institute. We run different courses for bachelor's and post-graduation. Right? We have different BAR, BBI, BFM and BMS for 12 students. And post-graduation courses like MMS, MCA, and we also have part-time courses. Those are those who have an experience in different fields like MMM, MHRDM and MFM.
Hello, so I'm from TechnoServe and we are basically an NGO and we provide skills development training for all third-year students wherein we train them on personality grooming, on interview clearing and interview preparation, how to crack an interview, job readiness training, and post that we also provide them with placement assistance. So we are already training in Gyan Sadhana section of Gyan Sadhana College to various current and ex students, and this entire training is completely free of cost for all the students as it is sponsored by City.
As we are the institute Finplan, so we train students upon in the commerce industry. Those students who are looking for the career in commerce industry like banking, finance and management in this sector. So for that we are just training.
See, when majorly train students on digital marketing, one of the leading sectors wherein a lot of jobs are there and people are companies are not getting the right professionals for this. That is why we train students on this and we help them in getting placements as well. And we ensure that the students who pass out from our center will get essential skills so that they can get placements in the right campus.
Hello, I am Dipali Maiskar, cosmetologist. ॲक्च्युली करिअर निवडताना कुठला राईट ऑप्शन असावा हा नेहमी कन्फ्यूज असतो, पण आता ब्युटी इंडस्ट्री हे खूप मार्केट सध्या खूप बूममध्ये आहे आणि रिसेशन हा प्रकार ब्युटी इंडस्ट्रीला तरी माहिती आहे. तर त्याच्यामुळे आमच्याकडे हे जे सगळे कोर्सेस कंडक्ट होतात त्या नॅशनल लेवल कॉस्मेटॉलॉजी, त्याच्यानंतर पर्सनल ग्रूमिंग, कॉर्पोरेट ग्रूमिंग आम्ही सगळं हे घेतो आणि त्याच्यामध्ये ट्रेन करतो. सो स्किल डेव्हलपमेंट जे आपले पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदींनी आणलेलं आहे ती स्किल डेव्हलपमेंटवरती भर दिला पाहिजे. प्रत्येकजणच CA, CS इंजिनिअरिंगला जात नाही, तर वेगवेगळे करिअरचे ऑप्शन्स अवेलेबल आहेत आणि त्याच्यामध्ये मला वाटतं आजच्या मार्केटमध्ये हा खूपच चांगला ऑप्शन आहे, कारण की नोकरीच्या पण भरपूर नॅशनल इंटरनॅशनल लेवलवरती संधीच उपलब्ध आहेत आणि बिझनेसला तर स्काय इज द लिमिट या बिझनेसला. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
We in JetKing provide hardware and networking courses. All these courses come with 100% job guarantee and all are career courses. Basic eligibility of the course is 12 plus any stream and basically we convert non-technical people into IT engineers.